Divide 976 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 7 and it is 17. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get Z. So 976 divided by 4 is 244. So this much for today and thanks for watching.